This is a Mercedes Sprinter van. It's getting both frame rails.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
Onto this monster. This is a Mercedes Sprinter van. It's getting both frame rails. They're a long ways over. Got the new ones right here. This is gonna be a monster. I'll be on this one for a while. I'm gonna pull these rails square first, and then I will start cutting these things off. So I had to chisel this part of this Q-pad section off, this sound deadening pad, because there's spot welds that go through into the frame rail right through here. I got to drill all those out all the way back to somewhere back in here. I got to figure out exactly where it ends at. You see all of these holes on the back of this frame rail right here, all the way around. Those are all welds. Welds that I have to grind out of the old one, and then I'll have to weld all these holes up on the new one whenever I get it up in there. Then I'll show you on the car. That's all of this area. I gotta grind all of these out. So this frame rail is just about all cut loose, I believe. I'm just gonna put a little downward pressure on it. I don't want to pull it hard, but sometimes these take a little help to get them to pop loose. it's moving. Looks like there's one weld right here that I missed. Well, I just realized there's some more welds. There's 2 layers here where the strut tower is, and the bottom layer I have to separate. I didn't realize there's 2 layers there, so I have some more welds around here I gotta drill out. But that's a wrap for the day. I'll finish that one, get that one cut out in the morning, and then I'll start cutting on that one. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.